the greatest 2 days in anyone's life. The day you were born and the day you moved on.
Most people have done all that they're ever going to do. They raise a family, they earn a living, and then they die.
Once you discover one simple fact, and that is everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you. And you can change it. You can influence it.
What's your why? Why do you wake up in the morning? Listen to me. You gotta have a reason for why you do what you do.
Why are you here?
You were chosen, 1 out of 400 million sperm. You have something in you that when you were chosen, when you showed up, there's something in you that if you don't do it, all of us will suffer. What would the world be like if everybody lived their dream?
Rich people don't sleep 8 hours a day. That's a third of your life. It ain't but 24 hours in a day. You cannot be sleep 8 hours a day. You can't live in LA and wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning. It's 11 o'clock on the East Coast. The stock market been open 2 hours. They already making decisions about your life and your ass was asleep. The Bible says, he who loves to sleep and the folding of hands, poverty will set upon you like a thief in the night.
Your only focus should be on getting better at what you're doing. Focus on what you're doing, get better at what you're doing. Everything else is a complete waste of time.
I want you to be disturbed with inaction. You want another level of life? We got to screw up. We got to get out and step off the path. We got to get out of the norm. We got to get away from what's comfortable. You want to take the island, you have to burn the boats. And in that journey, you are going to mess up. You are going to fail. You are going to do things wrong. Be disturbed in a bigger way, because here's what I know. If you fail of something bigger, you learn bigger lessons.
The way that I got rich, motherfuckers, was by being bored out of my mind day after day after day. Do you know how many times I had to clean out this fucking gigantic mixer by hand with this tiny little scraper, and we used to have to rotate based on who was sweating so fucking much? And if you think I did that for money, you're out of your goddamn mind. I had a mission. I was fucking obsessed. No one here is gonna get obsessed by money. I will tell you that right now. You'll try to fucking hype yourself up, but that is not the way the human animal works. The way the human animal works is it's not about just getting what you want, it's about how the fuck you got it. We wanna get good. We wanna push ourselves and do hard shit and grow. That, in and of itself, is one of the most deeply fulfilling things you can ever fucking do.
Amazing.
You can do anything, folks. Okay, you can do anything. Dream big, find the right vehicle. You gotta find the right vehicle to drop into. Okay? You can't just do anything. You gotta find the right vehicle. That dude that's on the side of the road spraying chemicals, wrong vehicle. There's no way. There's no way he can ever get financial freedom, man. It's worth it. I'm telling you, pay the price today so you can pay any price tomorrow. Be great at what you do. Be ethical. Okay? Be the best of the best. Do whatever it takes to be great. Be nice to people, man. Everybody's gonna contribute to the game, man.
If you aren't naturally tired at night and excited in the morning, then you probably haven't found something meaningful to work on. You are not stressed from doing too much. You are stressed from doing too little of what you care about.
The price of progress is pain. Most people do not want to experience pain. They like comfort. Living in a state of anxiety or in a state of suffering comes from attachment. Right? So when you're attached to things, attached to people, attached to identities, attached to philosophies, then you end up being in a situation where you experience pain. But you don't have to experience suffering if you live in a state of what? No expectation, where you're just living life, taking it day by day, step by step, and enjoying yourself. So if you want progress, you must be willing to, in the process, experience pain.
I want you to take it personal. And my personal question to you is, why not you? You've got the brains, you can make decisions, you can study the plan, you can change your life, you can grow immensely in the next few years, you can make your dreams come true, you can build a financial wall around your family nothing can get through, you can become healthy, you can become powerful. Why not you?